Hey, it's Hazal. Welcome back to the channel where you learn English through real life, real conversations, and real practice. Today, you're going to learn how to order food in English, step by step, in a very easy and natural way. We're going to follow a real story, where you'll hear simple conversations, useful phrases, and everyday English you can actually use. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident ordering food by yourself. So, relax. Listen carefully, and let's begin. This is a story about Alex and his first time ordering a sandwich in English.
Okay. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, Alex. It's just a conversation.
What if I forget what to say?
Just speak slowly and keep it simple.
All right. I'll try.
Hi. Welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, I would like a sandwich.
Sure. What kind of bread would you like?
What do you have?
We have white, wheat, and Italian bread.
I'll take Italian bread, please.
Great choice. What size?
Small, please.
Okay. What kind of sandwich would you like?
I would like chicken.
Grilled chicken or crispy chicken?
Grilled chicken, please.
You're doing great. Just keep going.
Thanks. I feel better now.
What vegetables would you like?
Lettuce, tomatoes, and onions.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
What sauce would you like?
What do you recommend?
You can try mayonnaise or sweet onion sauce.
I'll take mayonnaise.
All right. Would you like cheese?
Yes, please.
What kind of cheese?
Any is fine.
Okay, I'll add cheddar cheese. Would you like it toasted?
Yes, please.
All right, just a moment.
That wasn't so hard.
See, you're doing it perfectly.
I was scared for nothing.
Here you go. Anything to drink?
Yes. I would like a cold drink.
What would you like?
Orange juice, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How do you feel now?
I feel good, actually proud.
You should be. That was great.
Next time, I'll speak even more confidently.
Now let's slow down and learn the key sentences together. Repeat after me. I would like a sandwich. Again. I would like a sandwich. What kind of bread would you like? Say it. What kind of bread would you like? I'll take Italian bread. Repeat. I'll take Italian bread. What vegetables would you like? Say it. What vegetables would you like? I would like lettuce and tomatoes. Again. I would like lettuce and tomatoes. Would you like it toasted? Repeat. Would you like it toasted? Yes, please. Anything to drink? Repeat. Anything to drink? That's all. Thank you. Now let's practice a short conversation together. I will speak, and you repeat. What can I get for you?
I would like a sandwich.
What kind of bread would you like?
Italian bread, please.
What would you like inside?
Chicken and vegetables.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Very good. You're learning, step by step. Now remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need to speak, slowly and clearly. Before we finish, I want you to do something. Next time you go to a restaurant, try to order in English, even if it's simple. Just try. And in the comments, write this sentence. I can order food in English. Subscribe if you want more easy English conversations like this, where you don't just learn. You actually use English. This is Hazal. Take care, stay consistent. And I'll see you in the next one.